Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing this page for the first time, my name is Amaka Wabunze. Today I'll be teaching you how I make my fondant for covering of cakes. This particular fondant is for all weather recipe, whether it's dry season, rainy season, or harmattan. You can use this fondant. So I'll be working on 2 kg of icing sugar. I'd already sieved my icing sugar. So I added 1.5 teaspoon of CMC. And after that, I sieved into the icing sugar. Then for water, I'll be adding half cup of water and 2 tablespoons. You could get a pen and a paper to write these things down so you don't forget. If you find this interesting, please subscribe, like, comment, share my video and follow for more, just to encourage me. Please just do that, okay? Adding 2 full spoons of gelatin to the water and make sure you dissolve properly. While you are doing that, you should set a water on the pan. Allow the water to be very hot. Then you put in your gelatin into the frying pan. Stir till your gelatin is very clear. So while you are doing that, the gelatin should not cook for a long time. Once you notice the water is boiling, just off the gas. Then you add your glucose. You'll be adding 2 spoonfuls as well and mix into the gelatin so that they marry each other. So you keep stirring just like I'm doing here till you are sure everything is dissolved perfectly. Then you are going to pour the mixture into your icing sugar, the 2 kg icing sugar and CMC. You pour the gelatin mixture and glucose. Then this is where the work starts. You now start kneading. Like you need a lot of effort to knead this. So you start kneading from here. Keep kneading. You knead for a long time anyway. I'm very sure you could tell why bakers charge more when you request you want a fondant cake, because it requires a lot of work, a lot of manpower. This kneading, though I heard that there are machines now that can do this, but if you don't have the machine, you need to use your hand to do this. So gradually it's coming together. So if you think the mixture is too thick, you could sprinkle little water to it. Please subscribe, like, give this video a thumbs up. That's the way you could encourage me. Thank you very much. So you keep kneading. You can see it's becoming stretchy. If you're a new baker, well, don't be discouraged. It's what you can do. I believe that once you set your mind to do something, you will definitely get it. Once you follow the right recipe and the right directions, you will surely arrive at what you're looking for. So don't forget to follow, subscribe, leave a comment for me. Will you be trying this? Let me know in the comments. If you find this video interesting, you could ask me for what next to teach you and I'll gladly do it. My first experience with covering fondant cake was not a funny experience. It's always in my head. Maybe one day I'm going to tell you guys what happened on my first fondant cake I covered. So we're almost there. Yeah, it's already so stretchy. So usually it's tomorrow the next day, that's when I'll be using this fondant. So I do it a day before that day so that it will be easy to work with. If you do it the same day, I don't advise you to do it on that same day. Okay, even if you want to do do it on the same day. You can do it in the morning and maybe work with it in the evening, but I advise you do it a day before so that to be easy for you to work with. Yeah, our fondant is ready, so I'll be storing it in this ziploc. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Thank you.